In this video, you'll learn how to fix the Claude Code bad request error. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to identify and resolve common issues that lead to this error when interacting with the API. Begin by checking your prompt or payload. The term bad request typically indicates that the API is unable to parse your input. If you are using the command line interface, type the command as follows: Claude, followed by your prompt in quotes, such as Claude, my prompt here. Ensure that the prompt is not empty and does not include unsupported characters. Additionally, avoid using extremely long prompts. If your prompt exceeds 10 kilobytes of text, consider splitting it into smaller segments. Next, verify the API parameters in your scripts. If you are utilizing the node.js API, begin by including the required library with the command const Claude require Anthropic a Claude Code. Instantiate the client with const client equals new Claude client a CLD'd underscore API underscore key. When calling the complete method, ensure that you provide a valid model name such as Claude 3. And that the prompt string is correctly defined as a string, avoiding any undefined or null values. Also, check that you are not including unsupported options like max underscore tokens limits. Continue by avoiding oversized prompts. Claude has maximum token limits for each request, which is approximately 20 6 standard tokens or around 100,000 tokens for Claude 3. If you have large text to process, split it into manageable chunks using the provided syntax. Const chunks equals text.match. 15000 /g segs. Loop through each chunk with a for loop, sending each one individually to the client. This ensures that you stay within the limits and can process larger texts effectively. Another critical step is to check your API key. An invalid or expired API key can also trigger a 400 bad request error. To verify your API key in the command line, use the command echo $ender CAA underscore API underscore key. If you are using Node, you can check the key by running quote console.log process.end of CLD underscore API underscore key. Confirm that the value is valid and current. You should also ensure proper JSON formatting for scripts, especially when sending post requests manually. Your payload must be valid JSON, structured like this: prompt, summarize project files, model, Claude 3. Make certain there are no trailing commas, no null values, and no unsupported keys present in your JSON structure. Finally, test a minimal request to isolate the issue. You can execute a simple command such as Claude, hello Claude, summarize in one sentence, -JSON. If this request is successful, it indicates that the problem lies within your original prompt or payload formatting. If issues persist, enable debug mode by using the command Claude-debug your prompt here. This will log the full request and response, helping you identify if the bad request error is due to network issues, prompt errors, or incorrect API parameters. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.